Good morning, everyone. I know we took off a couple days, but this sleepyhead is still sleepyhead. She got her harness on to go bathroom, but she doesn't want to go. Good morning, but I am just having my coffee. Cheers to you guys. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. I just been cleaning yesterday. I didn't want to vlog yesterday. I just was kind of relaxing. So today is Thursday and I'm almost off to work. But yeah, it was a crazy, what day was that? Tuesday, we had a tsunami. First it was a tsunami watch, then a tsunami warning, and then a tsunami threat. So when it became the threat, I was already leaving home, work. So I went to pick up my son and then took him home, and then I went to pick up Navea, and then I went up to my sister's house. So that from 3 o'clock, well, I started driving at 2:30. I ended up driving for 3 hours. I ended up at my sister's around 5:30. But I'll show you some of the clips from the drive. It was crazy, but it was okay because we all made it safe. It was crazy. Everybody from the west side was coming this way because they're like right by the shoreline. I'm not by the shoreline, but you'd never know what happened. So I went to my sister's house. I don't even know how the tsunami would go. You know, just to be safe, I went up to her house. So, and then from 5:30 to 10:30, that 10:30 I came home, and it was okay after. Then it became an advisory. So thank God nothing happened. You know, I know that people are like, oh, nothing happened, blah blah blah, but hey, you lucky. I feel like that's all the young people. They never been through anything yet. So like, I've been through a lot of storms and stuff like that, but you know, I was little back then, so it didn't really dawn on me until, like, you know, when you grow older, then you're like, oh my God, what, you know? But we are fortunate that nothing happened, actually. Thank God nothing happened, because, you know, we're just an island. But anywho, yeah, that was my Tuesday. But anyways, I'm gonna finish up drinking my coffee and then take this girl out for her potty break. Yesterday I was trying to play my Call of Duty, but it takes so long. I don't know how come it has to download every time. I don't know. I will check on that. But every time it takes so long to download, and then I'm like, I don't like play already. So I don't know why it has to download every time. I have to go see. Once you download, it should be like, I'm downloaded already. Don't have to download me no more, right? So I did end up playing my Xbox. Yes, I have an Xbox. Look how ugly the weather is. We have a red flag warning. I guess it can have fires. But it's like so humid today. Okay. Now it's raining hard. I Gotta run all the way over there to that. Good morning, everyone. It's another day, and that's Nevaeh. She never wake up yet. It's about 5:30 in the morning. She's still a sleepyhead. Morning. So I haven't been vlogging. I've been like just relaxing, but I'm just making my lunch. I'm trying to get to work a little bit earlier so I can come home earlier. Let's go see. I got spaghetti, leftover spaghetti. She is up. She is up. Hi. You gonna let mommy put your eye drops in today before it gets bad, your eye? So she just wants, you gonna sit on my lap? Alrighty guys, so this is my leftover spaghetti from Zippy's. It was buy one, get one free. So if you buy a regular size one, you get the mini free. So that will be my breakfast or lunch today. And then I just have my fork from Daiso. This is like, you get fork, spoon, and chopstick, and then you get the little case. So that's good. So this is so good. It does make your, sorry, the light is like that. It keeps it warm, especially like if you're like merchandiser or mobile, or you have to drive around in your car. This helps to keep it warm until you eat it. I'm really liking that. And then I'm just gonna put this stuff inside my little thing here. And then some water. Coconut water. Oh, she finally got up. Alrighty gang, so I'm just gonna cook my dinner and my lunch. So I'm using my salad master, but I don't have any oil right now. So I'm just gonna coat it with some butter. You don't need too much oil when you're cooking your chicken in this pan here, because the oil comes from the chicken, yeah? So I'm just gonna use the basic stuff to season it. I'm gonna make mushroom, chicken mushroom. So just put in some paprika a little bit. Just put that there. I'm just gonna season and then put it inside here. salt after when I put the, what is it called? The cream of mushroom. So let me just use this bowl. So that's gonna be cooking. All right, I'm gonna be using this organic mushrooms in a can. We're gonna saute it. And first time I'm using this little cream of mushroom with roasted garlic. First time, so we're gonna try it. Why not? And then this will be sauteed. All right, so I'm gonna be putting some onion on that side. And saute this together. It smells so good when the onion is cooking. So we got this looking good. I want it to be a little bit crispy, the mushrooms. That looks delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this off and then let that just sit in there for now. And I'm cooking my rice as well. Alrighty gang, so this is my chicken, mushroom, and onion with the I added rosemary. I've been loving rosemary in my food for some reason. It's just so delicious. And there is Nevaeh. Hey. But yeah, I'm gonna finish up eating and then we'll see what happens. Alrighty guys, so I really do love rosemary in my food, but I don't like eating it. Just the flavor. And I'm just watching Everybody Loves Raymond. And it came out pretty good. I mean, it's not a real hard recipe to follow. It's gonna be the same all the time. But she don't even let me put her eye drop in her eye anymore. Okay, I'm gonna go finish eating. Alrighty gang, so we'll be closing this video out. She's already knocked out, but she gotta get up and go outside to use the bathroom. It's so hard, I cannot even put the eye drops in her eye no more. She's too wild. But anywho, you guys have a wonderful night. Take care, God bless. We'll see you all in our next video. Mwah.